Alright, today we're going to show you how to change a water heater. First thing you do is we disconnect the power supply on the water heater after we shut the breaker off. Second thing we do is we disconnect the supply lines. First the cold and then the hot after you depressurize the water system. The next thing we do is we hook up a transfer pump from the bottom of the water heater out to garden hose to a safe place to discharge it. Then you open the valve up, turn the transfer pump on, and let the pump run until the water heater is empty. As soon as the water heater is empty, take the water heater out, pull it out, put the new one in, which we have a new one here. Put the new water heater in. We'll just leave that on there. Anyway, it's a new water heater. You always want to put a thermal expansion tank on the cold side. Put a 3/4 inch T. Try to put a 3/4 inch T. Okay. 6-inch nipple. The 90. With the shorter 2-inch nipple. Then we take the thermal expansion tank, thread it onto the 90, put the supply line back on. We usually put a new supply line on whenever we change a water heater. Whoa. Okay. Then the hot side supply line. And that's it. Your water heater's installed.